Welcome back to the Easy English channel. Today we are going to talk about the word whereas. Whereas means used to show a fact that is different. I will explain the meaning of this word more elaborately later on. Now I am going to teach you how to use this word correctly and in all its powerful ways. I will provide example sentences that are very useful for improving your fluencies in English. So don't skip the video, watch the video till the end. Then only you will come to know how to use this word in right way. The word whereas is a formal conjunction used to introduce a statement that contrasts with or compares to the main clause of the sentence. Function. It acts as a subordinating conjunction linking a dependent class, the contrast, to an independent class, the main idea. It essentially means in contrast, although, while on the contrary. It is generally considered a more formal word than alternatives like but or while. And it is frequently used in legal documents, academic writing, and complex discourse. Whereas is used to highlight two opposing, different, or contrasting facts. Based on this meaning, I will give you 7 example sentences. First, I prefer to save my money, whereas my friend tends to spend it as soon as he gets it. This sentence describes a contrast in financial habits between me and my friend. It highlights two common but opposite approaches to managing money. So I used the word whereas. Second, the old bike was noisy and rough, whereas the new one is smooth and silent. Third, Yama prefers quiet evenings at home, whereas her sister is very outgoing and loves parties. Fourth, your salary is 50,000, so you can try for a loan from the bank, whereas my salary is only 10,000. Fifth, I prefer melodious songs, whereas my wife likes loud rock. Sixth, I work slowly and precisely, whereas she tends to rush things and make mistakes. Seventh, in the daytime, the weather is too hot, whereas at night time it is cold. We can start a sentence with the subordinate clause containing whereas and then follow it with the main clause. For example, whereas some people enjoy being alone, others enjoy going out with friends. I give you another example sentence. Whereas the problem seemed simple in the beginning, it turned out to be quite complex. You have seen the meaning and example sentences for the word whereas. If you want to learn more things like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Definitely you will learn many more things. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. I will see you in my next video. Until then, this is Satish signing off. Thank you.